Hi guys, let's play with slime. We are playing with Kawaii Slime Company Ice Cream Slime. Really stretchy barley thought, but not really cloud slime. So I mixed vanilla chocolate and strawberry ice cream with it law. This smells so good. I'm just not gonna talk, it's too beautiful, H. You hear? Let's move on to clear slime everyone cares about. Not gonna be A-A-E-A-A-K again to beautiful. Let's move on to Slime Shady Shop. Sticky but stretch God. 10,000 to 10. Too good, let's move on. Wait, what happened? It looks like glue. Glue with glitter and paint. My guys,